Hey everyone. So for the lab this week, it's going to be similar to the final mineral lab we had. We're going to go down here to week 5 laboratory igneous rocks practice, and we've got our lab week 5. So if you're watching this video, you're already on this page. You found it. Good work. So what you're going to do basically is we want you to set up a similar sort of note sheet like we did with minerals. It just helps further solidify everything in your brain. But you're going to click on this. It's going to take you here to this web page where basically we're going to test you on identifying the rocks the same way that we went through the minerals, just slightly different. We'll have texture and composition rather than the cleavage and hardness and those things that we had with minerals. So this one's, arguably there's less to figure out, but there's also less room to less choices and options to help you identify what you're looking at. So it can be a little tricky when you're doing this. The composition here, it's talking about felsic, intermediate, mafic, and ultramafic. The texture here, pegmatitic, those large crystals. Phaneritic, that's ones you can see with the eye. Aphanitic, you can't see with the eye. Porphyritic has aphanitic, porphyritic. It has porphyries or phenocrysts that are larger than the ground mass that makes up the majority of the rock. Glassy, vesicular, and pyroclastic. These are all extrusive volcanic terms. And I think the only one that we'll be testing you on, or the ones we'll be testing you on, are obsidian, pumice, and scoria. We've got some tuff in the lab, but I don't think we'll be asking you questions about that. But go ahead and read through here: composition, texture, sample identification. These two sections do have a bit of review for you to kind of get you primed for the lab. So you'll go ahead and click. You'll see a rock. Make sure you look at the close-ups to see if there's any minerals that you can see in there with the naked eye. I don't really see anything, so I'm going to guess it's mafic because of the dark color. It's pretty muted, it's pretty dull, so I would probably guess it's basalt. And because I didn't see any minerals in there, I'm going to guess it's aphanitic. I'm going to check. Congratulations. So this first rock here is basalt. You all get the freebie. Please go through and do the rest of them all through 12. Test yourself. Look at the close-ups. They're helpful. There's additional images on a lot of these that will help, so you can see this black mineral here, and the white minerals and the kind of off-white clear minerals. That should be very helpful for you to work through this and identify some of those minerals that we were learning the last few weeks. So have fun. Good luck with this, and be in touch if you have any questions or comments. Thanks.